Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a roofing company that in the last 30 days has generated 17 leads. Let's dive in. As you can see here, we have a $125 per day budget. It has 17 leads or conversions. It has a cost per acquisition or cost per lead of $86.89. The current conversion rate is 22.08%. We are running a bid strategy of max conversion with TCP, so basically a TCPA, 77 clicks. So let's take a look at the ad groups that we're using on this. So as you can see here, we have roof repair, roof installation, roof replacement, roof repair service, roofing contractor, Alexandria roofers, a roof inspection. But yeah, these top ones here are the ones that are driving the majority of the conversions here, as you can see. And as I mentioned, we have a TCPA bid strategy of $84, and this is doing really good for us. This is well within our range goal that we're looking to achieve for this client. So let's take a look at the keywords that we're using. All right, so we have, as you'll notice, we have both phrase match and exact match. So we have roof repair, roof installation contractor, roof installation costs, roof replacement contractors, roof repair, roof repairs, roof repair estimates, and then these are driving the majority of the conversions here for this campaign. And then phrase match, what this means is basically whatever the consumer searches for on Google, in order for this campaign to show up, roof repair has to consist inside of that search that they've done. And then exact match means that roofing installation contractor, this has to be pretty much exactly searched this way, otherwise the ad will not show for the consumer. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to check out some of our other videos. Have a wonderful day.